Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you do subscribe and make sure you hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new posted videos. So in this video, we're going to be making a lasagna. This is a quick and easy recipe that I'm sure you all will enjoy. So let's get started. So you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. So while that cooks, I'm going to go ahead and chop up half an onion. Alright, so now that the meat is starting to cook a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add in our onions. If you have peppers, this is the time to add those in too. Mix this up. And mix those around. So I'm going to use these San Giorgio lasagna pasta noodles. Don't worry if it does not fit in the pot, they'll cook now. So the meat's about done, so I'm going to get ready to add in our sauce. I'm going to let these noodles cook for about 10 minutes. So I have 2 jars of this ragu chutney tomato garlic onion. You're more than welcome to make your own sauce. This is a quick and easy lasagna. You know, I'm making this for dinner tonight, so I don't want to make a sauce, so I'm just going to use this and I'm going to season it up really well. So I have 2 jars. It's a 24-ounce container. So I'm going to use 2 of these, or maybe 1.5. We'll see how it turns out. So I've already added in 1 jar, and in another jar. See how those noodles just fell down in the pot? They were sticking out, and then as they started to cook, they just slowly slid down into that water. That's cool. So now I'm just going to stir my sauce up with the meat and those onions and peppers. So I have some turkey pepperoni that I cut up. I'm going to add into the sauce. Just add some extra flavor to it. So now I'm adding in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, sugar. So I'm going to drink the noodles. Alright, so here's our cheeses that we're going to be using for the lasagna. So we have ricotta cheese to hold the pasta together. And then we have some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm only going to use 4 ounces of this in the middle of the lasagna, not the top. Then we got Italian cheese I'm going to put in the middle and on the top. And then we have this parmesan and Romano grated cheese. I'm going to blend this in with the ricotta. And then we have some mozzarella cheese block that I'm going to shred up because I prefer this to be on top. So I'm going to wait for the sauce to, you know, thicken up a little bit and then grate the cheese and then we'll start layering our lasagna. Alright, so let me move these things out the way. Gonna get ready to grate the mozzarella cheese. Or grate this whole thing. Like I said, it's an 8-ounce block. And shredded cheese on top just melts way better than you know, shredded cheese in a bag. So I'm gonna use this on the top. That's a lot of cheese. So we'll be able to use this inside and on the top of the lasagna. Ricotta cheese going. So now I'm going to add in about a 4th cup of this parmesan or Romano grated cheese. 1 egg. About a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to start back. I got like a little ladle so that I can scoop it up. So I'm going to start back putting the sauce in the bottom of the pan first. I'm going to take like a ladle full, probably 2. Just want to cover the bottom of the pan. So it's fully covered. Now you're going to take some noodles and layer the bottom of the pan. Pull the noodles apart. Take the layers. I sometimes use the oven ready ones. Of course, it's not as good as cooking them yourself, so I opted for these ones this time because you can get a little bit more control over these. The oven ones are stiff when you put them on there. I'm going to take some sharp cheddar cheese. Some Italian cheese. Bit of our mozzarella. Take the layers again and do the same exact thing. So we have 2 layers, so now I'm going to top it with our final topping. And that's going to be Italian cheese. So I'll go ahead and put this in the oven for 45 minutes. I'm just going to take the aluminum foil off the top. I'm going to put this and leave this in the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes and let this cheese melt on top. Let it brown a little bit. Alright, so our lasagna is done. I'm going to take this out. I'm just going to go ahead and let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'll cut into it. Alright guys, so let this sit for 10 minutes. Cut into it. See how the inside looks. Alright guys, so this is the final product of our lasagna. I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and make me some garlic bread so I can chow down. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.